And here we go. We are on to the forearm. We'll do the bottom first. Loosen up the tail end so I can raise this up. As you can see here, it's got a little notch right here. Some clips up here. Get your barrel band out of the way. And this is just going to slide right up in underneath the rear sight. Click up into place. And you're going to go backwards with it. You may have to just take something and bump it very easily. You have to hit it hard. Something's not right. Or you didn't get it clean enough. Your barrel band will go and slide right back here. And it's going to push against these little springs that keeps it tight. And then you're going to flip your latch from the front to the back. See if I can zoom in. On the latch there. We were talking about this latch right here. After you get it pressed up, that latch goes to the back and it holds your forearm in place, or the lower part of your forearm. Alright. Gas tube, or what would be a gas tube, I guess. This is really just your cover for your piston rod. We'll go in the front first, get this switch out of the way, lift it up, let everything seat down. Once you've got it all seated down there, everything the way it needs to be, take this lever. And this lever will go to the 6 o'clock position and then back up. 6 o'clock position. Some people will tell you not to do that. I like to do that to make sure everything's seated in there, roll it around just a little bit more, and then it'll go back in here to what I guess is about 7, 8 o'clock position there. And that's installed. Next video we'll have the bolt carrier, bolt return spring, etc. And for all practical purposes, we will be ready to go. Alright, here we go. Bolt carrier, or whatever we call it for AK. Turn this in right down here. And in all honesty, you can take this, you can start it in any direction you want. What you need to do is find the lug that looks like a triangle there, or a semi-triangle there. That is going to go to your 12 o'clock position up there and fit in to, let me get it here, sorry, into this groove. So you can put it in any way you want. Just rotate that around and let that find its home. Then we're going to take our piston, run it into its home there, and back here in the back, above your handguard, you've got some notches. You're going to have to push down because the hammer is going to be in the way. You want your hammer to be locked back in the cocked position, and you want your safety to be down so it clears everything. Get that seated down in there, push down a little bit, and just rock it forward, and you're ready to go. Now you've got your return spring. We'll run it up in there, squeeze it in, and slide it into the notches here. And other than our dust cover and our magazine, we're ready to go. We have a fully operational AK47. Well, should be fully operational AK47 now. I'll go ahead and for now I'm going to go ahead and put our dust cover back on. And here we go. This is the AK, and it is all back together now. Everything's been Froglubed, cleaned really well, and she's ready to be tested and go back to its home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you like the videos, like the video for me. If you don't, send me a message. Let me know what you don't like. If you've got any corrections to make, anything to tell me, please leave it in the comments or send me a message. Thanks for watching.